The government is ramping up 3 major irrigation projects amid the threat of El Nino. The National Irrigation Administration expects to finish 3 high dam projects by the first quarter of 2024. Recall that Malacanang has tapped all concerned state agencies to come up with interventions to minimize the impact of drought. An El Nino task force will also be created to boost the country's preparedness.
Ang ginawa na po namin meron kaming initial consultation, humingi po kami ng tulong sa iba't ibang national government agencies like itong DA, ma'am, para yung aming kayang patubigan ngayon ay bigyan kami ng mga high-yielding varieties para kung meron mang tayong hindi kaya mapatubigan, at least bawi po natin sa yield. At of course, meron ding ibinigay sa atin ngayon na extra funding ang Congress para naman po sa mga solar irrigation.